Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can forward ClickUp tasks to Google Hangouts automatically. Now suppose you are making ClickUp tasks and you want to send those tasks to particular team members. Now what you can do is, through automation, we are going to create ClickUp tasks for different team members, and those ClickUp tasks will automatically be sent to our Google Hangouts chat, where all our team members are already present, and there they will know that they have to work on which particular task. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect ClickUp and Google Hangouts together. Now if you want to learn how to do this amazing automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as we will press enter, we will be redirected here. And here you can see we have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. If you already have an account, you can go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So go and sign up now. Now I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in. And now here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on login. And after that, I am going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see I have all the automations made here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a new automation. To do that, I'm going to click on this button, create workflow. And here we have to give the name of the workflow. So I'm going to give it the name. So now I am going to give it a name, and the name is ClickUp tasks to Google Hangouts. Okay. Now let us just click on create. Now you can name it whatever you want to. I'm connecting these two applications, so I'm giving it this name. Now here you can see you have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what is happening here? Here we are having ClickUp tasks. So we will search for ClickUp, and then we are going to go for new task. So we'll go for new task, and here we will click on connect, and after clicking on connect, we will go for add new connection, and here we have to enter the API token. So what is the API token? You can see here it is written log into your ClickUp account, click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner and go to apps. You can find API token. So we will go here, then we will go here, then here you can see the option of apps. So click on apps, and this is the API token. Just copy this API token, go back and paste it here. Then click on save. And now as soon as you will click on save, the ClickUp account will now be connected to the Pabbly Connect account. So what we are doing, we are creating a task here. So we will take the workspace name, Ashi's workspace. Space name, we have Pabbly modifications, junk and space. Let me just show you. So here you can see Pabbly modifications, junk and space. So we are going to go for Pabbly. And here I am just going to go for integrations. Is a very long folder, so let's just leave this. GIT lab issues. Okay, so I'm just going to go for GIT lab issues, and here I have this new issues folder list. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go for Pabbly folder name GIT lab issues, and list name is new issues. Okay, now here I'm just going to create a task, and then I'll click on save and send test request. So I'll just create a task here. Task name is Gmail action event issue. Hello, the Gmail action event send mail is not visible and I can't click on it. Please look at this problem. Okay, so this is the message I am giving, and now I'll just click on create task, and as soon as I will click on create task, you will see a task has been created here, and I will go back here and I will click on save and send test request, and here you can see I have this ID 2521J24, name is Gmail action event issue, and here hello, the Gmail action event is not visible and I can't click on it. Please look at this problem. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here, and I have completed my first part of connecting my ClickUp account to my Pabbly Connect account. Now here I'm just going to go for Google Hangouts, and I will click on Google Hangouts chat. Now action event. So what I am doing here, I am going to create a new message. So I will click on create message, then connect. And here what you are going to do, you are going to paste the chat webhook URL here. So the chat webhook URL is what I am going to show you. See, these are some automations I have already tested here. And now what I am going to do, I am just going to show you how it's done. Let me first tell you, this will only work with the Google Enterprise account. It will not work with the free account. So here we are going for the Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to go for manage webhooks, and you are going to get this option only in the enterprise account. So go for manage webhooks, and here you can see this is a webhook already. If I want to add another, I can go for another. Now I am going to give it the name ClickUp to Hangouts bot. Okay, this is the name I am giving it. Now I'll just click on save. If you want to add any image of this bot, you can add that here. Now just click on save. I'm not going to add the image, and you can see this is the PC bot and this is the ClickUp to Hangouts bot. So I'll just copy which I just made here right now. I will go back here and I will paste it in the chat webhook URL section. And now it is asking us for the message. So I'm just going to copy this. And I'll go back here. And what I can do, either I can just copy this message and map in the fields here, like here. And what is mapping? Let me first tell you mapping. Mapping is a technique which will let me take the data from this window and it will let me put the data here in this window. So either I can do this, and then we can just delete the part here and map in the title like this. Gmail action event issue, and description is backspace hello, the Gmail action event send mail is not visible. Okay, either I can do this or I can make a new message by myself. So let me just do that. Hey team, hey team, we have a new issue. Now I am just going to map in the title Gmail action event issue, description, so description is this. Hello, the Gmail event send mail is not visible and I can't click on it. Please look at this problem. And then status, and here status type is to do. Okay, so we have to do this, we have to resolve this. So we are going to do this. Now I'm just going to click on save and send test request, and as soon as I will do that, you will see that I will have a new message here. So let me just delete these old messages. Now as you can see, I have deleted all the messages here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on save and send test request here, and I will have a new message here. So I'll just go and click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see ClickUp to Hangouts bot is now on its run. And here you can see, hey team, we have a new issue, Gmail action event issue, description, hello, the Gmail action event send mail is not visible and I can't click on it. Please look at this problem status to do. Now this description hello and this the Gmail action event is not looking quite good because I did not put it properly here. So we can just do that and we can just rearrange the section, rearrange the text, and then can send them again here. Now let us just try it for another issue. So I'm just going to make a new task and let's see if our automation is working or not. Trigger issue in SendGrid. Hello team. I can't find the option to add contact in SendGrid. Please have a look. Okay. So you can see, hello team, I can't find the option to add contact in SendGrid. Please have a look. Let me just put it like this and like this. And let me correct this one here as well. Okay. Now click on create task. And as soon as you will create task, you will see that the spelling of issue is wrong. So I'm really sorry for that. And I'll go back here in chat. And as soon as I will click on refresh, I will have a new message here. And as you can see, we have our ClickUp to Hangouts bot here another time. And now you can see here it is written, hey team, we have a new trigger issue in SendGrid. Description, hello team, I can't find the option to add contact in SendGrid. Please have a look. So you can see the issue spelling is wrong here also as it was here. And this is how you can do it. Now let me tell you one thing. I got this message here, but it can take some time for you to get this message here. Like I got this message here after 4 or 5 minutes. So what will happen? Whenever you are going to do this, you are also going to get this message after some time because we are using a trigger which is called polling here, and polling will send the data from ClickUp account to Google Hangouts account, and it will take some time to do that. So do not panic and do not worry about it. Your data will absolutely come to you. Okay. So this is how you can connect your ClickUp tasks to your Google Hangouts so that whenever you have a new task in your ClickUp account, it will automatically be sent to Google Hangouts chat to your team, and then you people can work on it. So thanks a lot for watching this. And if you want to clone this workflow, you can just go into the description box and clone it into your account. For that, you need an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.